Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Fry again from Jefferson Elementary. And today we're going to look at words with vowel, consonant, vowel, syllable division patterns. When you look at the vowels, remember vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes Y. When we're looking at these words and we're trying to figure out the syllable division pattern, we're looking at, that means where do we divide the word and how do we pronounce it? So when we're looking at the first row of words here, we're going to say the words out loud. We're going to clap them out because that's always a smart way to find syllables. And saying them out loud also helps you to hear it. And then we're going to decide where should they be broken apart and why. So when we're looking at words, I'm just going to remind you that a vowel, consonant, vowel is divided before the consonant if the vowel sound in the first syllable, which is the first clap, is long. When it's divided after the consonant, that means that the vowel sound in the first syllable must have been short. Those are good ways to remember that. So the first word is reward, reward, reward. 2 syllables, reward. So it's broken up, if you can hear that reward. The line would be drawn after the E for reward. If you listen to the sound, re has a long E sound. The E is long in the first syllable, which means we draw the line after the vowel in front of the consonant. Next one is the word private, private. 2 syllables, private. Listen to the I, pry. It's a long sound, so we would put the line after the I for private. Next word, open, open, open. 2 syllables again. O being the first syllable, open. O is a long sound, so we would put the line after the O in front of the P to break that word apart. Now we would move down to the next, row of words. We're going to listen again to the sound of the vowel to make this decision. So legend, legend. On legend, ledge. The E does not have a long sound. So the E is not where we would draw our line. Legend, legend. Now the J sound feels like it wants to pull over, so it's kind of hard to hear some of these, and you'll find that when you're doing them. But that's why you've got to listen to that sound of the vowel. Is it a E or E? Because that is a legend, an E sound, the short E. We know that when it's a short vowel sound at the front, that we're going to put the line after the first consonant. So you would draw the line there after the G. Legend, legend, legend. All right, the next one, pigeon, pigeon. Same sound. That just sound is kind of tricky, but get that rule behind you and it'll help you out. That's why we have the English rules that mostly follow. Pidge, p-I. That's the I sound, not the I sound. So again, on that one, pigeon. You're going to put the syllable split, the line behind to break out the syllables. You're going to put that after the G. Pidge, pigeon. The next one, humor, humor. Listen to that sound. Hue, you. Not but you. Humor. On that one, you're going to put the line after the U. Humor. Now, this is an example of how you break apart syllables in words and what the patterns are. So for the next one, I'm just going to pull it down just a little bit here. And I want you to say the word to yourself first, and then I'm going to show you a page in a second that's going to help you with this. Number 3, I'm going to say the word so that you can hear it pronounced, and then I want you to think about how it would be split. minor, minor, legal, legal, solo, solo. Each of those words, hopefully you heard, have 2 syllables. Minor, legal, solo. If you're looking at all 3 of those words, minor, legal, solo, every single one of the words in that particular line, they all have the long vowel sound. That tells us automatically we're going to put the line of separation for the syllables after the long sound, after the I, after the E, after the O. All right, let's look at the next row. Listen to the words and make your decision. If you want to write these on a piece of paper, that you could do that as well, or just do it while watching. Rapid, rapid, lizard, lizard, pirate, pirate, rapid, rapid, lizard, lizard, pirate, pirate. On number 4, rapid has the ah sound, not the a sound. So because it has the ah sound, you're going to put the line after the P. Lizard, lizard. It's hard to break words apart. You want to say it completely. Lizard. On that one, it has the I sound again. That's a short sound. So the line is going to be broken after the Z. Pirate, pirate. The I sound, not the I sound. So the line is going to come after the I. Last row. Talent, balance, lemon. Talent, balance, lemon. Give you a few minutes to think. Think about, was it a long A and E, or were they short A and E sounds? Okay. Talent, talent, talent. It has the ah sound, talent. So the ah sound is going to be the short sound, which means we're going to put the line to separate it after the L. Balance, balance. Again, that's the ah sound, so we're going to put the separation after the L. And then the last one is lemon, 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 lemon. It has the eh sound, so you're going to put the break and the line after the M. Okay, so I'm going to show you on this next screen here what it says here. So this is exactly what we did in our lesson. If you look at where they have the separation in reward, in private, and in open, they have a long vowel in the first syllable for all words. Then if you look at each of the ones we did here, it's broken at exactly where we told you that it was. So it's pretty simple. Once you learn the rule, if it's a long vowel in the first syllable, you put the line after the vowel. If it is a short vowel in the first syllable, you put the line after the first consonant. Hopefully that helps you guys today in breaking apart words, and we will see you next time.